Fuck. What? Forgot to turn on the recording button again. Forget to return the recorder button again. What's going on? You forgot to hit the record button, Gabrielle. Again. How many times do you forget to hit the record button? I'm sorry. I'm sorry you didn't know. Forgot to hit the record button. You always forget to hit the record button. Every time you forget to hit the record button. How hard is it to hit stop recording and start recording? How hard is that? Apparently to you it's hard. It's hard for you. You constantly forget to hit the record button. So we get a good movie show and then you forget to hit the record button. It's not like we can go back and re-act it over again. You can't do something the same way you've done it before. I'm sorry. I am. Oh, you're sorry. You are so sorry. Always forget to hit the record button. You gotta always forget to hit the record button. Don't you know when it's red it's not recording and it's green it is? Mother, I'm sorry I forgot. I'm sure you forget things too. I don't forget things. At least I don't forget to hit the bloody record button. Yeah. At least I don't forget to hit the bloody record button. I'm sick of it. I'm ill of it. Stop forgetting to hit the record button. No matter why we're not as big, no matter why I'm not as known as Angry Grandpa, since you forget to hit the record button, and since I'm not as known as Majuggernuggets, because you probably forgot to hit the record button. Yeah. You want to compare me to Angry Grandpa? You want to compare me to Psycho Dad? Well, I know for a truth that Angry Grandpa would be angry or wrath if someone forgot to hit the record button. Psycho Dad maybe wouldn't care. But I know I would. Stop forgetting to hit the record button. You think I'm finished? You think I'm finished? Yeah, I think you're done. No, I'm not done. You forgot to hit the record button. Your daughter forgets to hit the bloody record button. Yeah, fuck you.